Hello and welcome to My Man the Maker's repair channel. What we have here is a 1 horsepower compressor that I picked up for about $20 that is in completely unknown condition. All I know about it is the fact that it's green. It's got a few issues, super dirty, and it's got a broken cowling, which seems to be a bit of a problem. I'm going to call this compressor Lime, I think for obvious reasons. And what I'm going to be doing over the next little while today is taking that cowling off, seeing if this thing powers up, seeing if it holds air, and seeing if it needs any sort of regular service, and if it sounds normal or not. Well, the next thing we're going to do in terms of repairing Lime is to try to get this terrible crack fixed. I'm going to use super glue, which I have. It's funny, this Crayano instant glue always does this. Crayano acrylate. It always clouds up plastic, so you have to be careful where you store it because it could mess up clear plastic. Anyways, we're gonna try and apply some of this stuff in this crack and see if we can't get this to glue back together. Well, good morning everybody. It's the next day and we have this shroud to look at. I realize it's quite a long time to wait considering the fact that it's super glue that I was working with, but I have the time, and why not give it as much time as necessary to set up and congeal and do its chemistry magic. Crayano acrylate glue. Here's the fasteners for the shroud. I'm just going to put them to the side here and take a look. See what we've got. We got to remove all that tape and then if there's any residue, deal with that. So that's what we're going to do today, this morning. Just see about finalizing that shroud. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving me a like, and leaving me a comment. I really enjoy making these videos, and I want to know from you how I can make them better. The whole point of these videos is to demonstrate that if I can do something, you can do it too. Well, that's it for now. So long, and remember, keep making.